So 20 minutes into my floor plan, this is what I have. So this is the floor plan of a house, like a dream house. So up in the top left, I have a laundry room. I have to add a door there, but a washer and dryer. And then an office with a window in the other corner. And then a sunroom with window walls in this corner. And one bedroom in the other corner. And I'm going to add some more rooms and features to it. So this is my finished version of the floor plan. So when you walk in, I have the living room here with a couch and a TV. And then through that door is the dining room with a dining room table and some chairs. Then I also added a kitchen connected to the dining room with some appliances, a fridge, a stove, and an oven. And I added a library connected to the office. Then I added some windows around the office and the bedroom. And yeah, that's my completed floor plan. Thanks.